you ever been to the store and seen the price of a group of items but only wanted to know the price of one? Or have you ever gotten your paycheck and wanted to know how much you made per hour? These are both examples of finding the unit rate, which is something we talk about in 6th grade math. Super, super simple, but somewhat intimidating sometimes because you're basically dividing. So a couple examples. First example is finding unit rate. First example says Tire King is having a sale where customers can buy 4 new tires for $319.96. What is the cost per tire? So we're basically looking for unit rate, which is the price per tire. So all you do is you take the price, $319.96, divide it by 4, okay, which will look like this. So you just divide it. You guys put the price in the house, which we talked about last week, and then you put the 4 on the outside. You get out your calculators. You can use them for this unit. Put $319.96 in there. Divide, okay, just like that. You guys can see that. Divide it by 4, and you get $79.99 per tire. So how much does each tire cost? $79.99. So actually pretty cheap per tire. Next question, if you want to know how much you make per hour, it says if you work 4 hours each day for 6 days, you can earn $288 in all. So how much did you earn per hour? So you're going to take your $288, put it in the house, and if you work 24 hours, because it's 4 hours a day times 6, so it looks like that. You divide it, put it in your calculator. So when you put it in your calculator, you get 12. So you make $12 per hour. So not too shabby, especially if you are in high school. Okay. All right, now that we know how to find unit rate, basically dividing, we're going to move on to finding the better buy. And it sounds really tough, but it's not as challenging as it sounds. Some of you will have seen your parents do this at the grocery store, and basically it's where you decide which one is cheaper. Okay, so you're deciding between a big box of cereal or a small box. Should I buy this brand versus that brand? Okay, so the first example is says that a 12-ounce box of Spice stuffing is $2.15, while a 16-ounce box costs $2.88. What is the better buy? So basically, which one is cheaper? Okay, because you want to spend less money. So set this up the same way we set the last thing with unit rate. So if your two division symbols are problems, so you're going to put your cost in the house, like you did, and put the ounces on the outside. Get your calculator out. When you do that, your 12-ounce box will be 0.179 cents per ounce, whereas the 16-ounce box will be 18 cents an ounce. So 12-ounce box is a little bit cheaper. Okay, so you can buy a 12-ounce box, a little bit cheaper. Now, second problem, very simple. So you guys, I'm not sure if you've ever heard of Kroger. It's a grocery store in certain states, but Walmart sells a case of 21 cans of soda for $6.88. Kroger sells a 12-pack for $3.99, which is a better buy. So if you do division problems, so it should look like this. And after you divide it with your calculator, I think your Walmart 24 ounce or 24 can will be 29 cents a can, but whereas Kroger, the cans will be 33 cents a can. So going to Walmart is cheaper than buy your soda per can. So one more way that you may see unit rates is in a ratio table, which we talked about last week. So in this example, if you guys have ever been out for fast food, gotten chicken nuggets, a lot of times you'll order sauce, and the restaurants will have a specific number of nuggets that they'll get certain number of sauce packets they'll give you per amount of nuggets. So in this case, if you have 8 nuggets, they'll give you 2 packets, versus 12 nuggets, you get 3. And then if you have 24 nuggets, they'll give you 6 packets. So we want to know how many nuggets they give you per packet. So when we did ratio tables, if you remember, you could go a couple different ways. You go 8 divided by what gives you 2, 12 divided by what gives you 3, and then 24 divided by what gives you 6. Or 6 times what gives you 24, 3 times what gives you 12, 2 times what gives you 8. So we had to figure out this missing number. So we know that 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 6 times 4 is 24. So 1 times 4 is 4. So for every packet of sauce, you get 4 nuggets. So there's your final answer. So just one more way to show unit rate, depending on how you're most comfortable.